In a climate research survey, you are tasked with assessing the probability of experiencing extremely low temperatures during winter in a particular region. An extremely low temperature is defined as being below -5 degrees Celsius. Historical data shows that the average winter temperature in the region is 0 degrees Celsius with a standard deviation of 3 degrees Celsius. Utilize the Z-score to estimate the probability of an extremely low temperature occurrence. Here's how to approach the Understand the Z-score. The Z-score measures how many standard deviations an element is from the mean. It's calculated using the given formula, where x is the value of interest, mu is the mean, and sigma is the standard deviation. Calculate the Z-score for the threshold temperature. Given the threshold for an extremely low temperature is -5 degrees Celsius, with the mean temperature being 0 degrees Celsius and the standard deviation being 3 degrees Celsius, substitute these values into the Z-score formula. This will give you the Z-score for -5 degrees Celsius. Use the Z-score to find the probability. The calculated Z-score represents the number of standard deviations -5 degrees Celsius is from the mean. Use this Z-score with a standard normal distribution table or a calculator to find the probability of a temperature being below -5 degrees Celsius. Interpret the probability. The resulting probability indicates the likelihood of experiencing extremely low temperatures during winter in the specified region. This value can help in understanding the risk and frequency of such extreme temperature events.